Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the semi-finals, how to play skill game in the semi-finals in the UCL daily challenge of EA Sport FC Mobile 24. Before we start, this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can complete the quest or challenge the event, and you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap the play button, tap the live events, and tap this challenge mode and go to Champions League, our UCL daily challenge here. So I made a progress here. I already done the skill game of the quarterfinal, and we are going to play the semifinals. Tap continue. So in the semifinal, we are going to play shoot and score. Swipe to shoot target and earn point. Let's get started. This is the free kick. Just swipe. If you are hit the target, you will get the point here. That, for example, I'm trying to the top corner. It's quite difficult here because you have to faster and higher. You have 8 attempts here. And let's try another shot. It's quite difficult here. So you have to master this to progress into the final. And you got retry here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click next button below. Enjoy the game.